Hi, let's recreate this amazing PowerPoint presentation with me. So first, let's add a background picture here. Let's add a background picture of a sky. And the link for this picture, I've kept it in the description, and for all the other pictures as well. Now let's create a text box and type past here as for your title. And keep it middle aligned and center aligned. Like that. Now, let's change the font and increase the font size as well. And we can bold it and change the font color and add some shadows as well. Now let's add the content here, like that. Now let's add pictures below, like that. Now let's go to picture format and click on the edit picture. And you can click on remove background to remove the picture's background. And when you're done, you can click on update. And you can wait for it to save the picture. And just like that, PowerPoint has automatically removed the background of the picture. Now you can do the same for the others as well. Like that. Now, what you need to do here is duplicate your slide. And in this slide, you can drag this to the bottom, this one as well. And let's just rotate this. And let's create another content here. Let's change it like this. And let's keep other pictures as well. Let's keep the F-33 Lightning and the B-21 radar stealth bomber like this. Now let's copy these and paste it on your slide too. Now let's reduce the size a bit and drag it to the top, and you can rotate them. Now you can right click on the pictures and go to format object. And for your first one, let's add just the transparency and keep it 100%. And same for your second picture as well. Now, you can duplicate your first slide. And on your first slide again, you can take all of these to the top. Let's uncheck these two pictures and drag all the content to the top. And as for these transparent pictures, let's delete them and paste them here. Now let's drag these to the top, delete these. Let's only rotate your second picture and let's resize them both. Let's resize this one as well. Now what you need to do is add transparency for your pictures again. Keep it at 100%. Same for this one as well. Go to format picture and add transparency like that. Now what you need to do here is click on your second and third slide and add morph. And when you're done, you can select on shapes and insert a rectangle here. Now go to format, shape and add gradient color. You can set all the colors to black like this. And you can choose this direction, this one. And you can keep the transparency for this at 100%. And for this one, you can reduce it to 0 and keep this at 50. Now remove the outline as well. Like that. Now when you're done, you can click on the shape and the background and you can send it to back. Now you can copy the shape, paste it on your first slide, and you can send it to the back along with your background as well, and take it up outside of the slide. Now paste it on your third slide again, and you can send it to the back along with your background. Now when you're done, you can adjust the background on your third slide, same on your second slide, and bring it to the right like that. And just like that, your presentation is done, and it looks something like this.